Are you tired of generating a limited number of pictures, repeatedly exhausting your time and creativity? It's a common challenge faced by content creators today. Most probably, you will refer to tools like this, or this. Now, these tools can get the job done, but are they really solving the issue efficiently? What if there was a tool that could do more, faster, and with less effort? Just as Michael Corleone rejects inefficiency, so does PixVerse. Enter PixVerse AI, the game changer in visual content creation. With PixVerse AI, you can effortlessly create up to 1,000 animations. Imagine the possibilities. Break free from traditional constraints and let your creativity soar. In our upcoming video, we'll dive into the secrets of PixVerse. Join us as we explore how you can use PixVerse to generate stunning visuals effortlessly. Learn about its applications, discover its key features, and understand why it's a must-have tool for your content creation journey. Stay tuned for tips, tutorials, and more. Let PixVerse revolutionize your content creation process. Before delving into the details of this groundbreaking AI tool, why not subscribe now for more content like this? Let's embark on a journey to create movie magic together with PixVerse. Introduction to PixVerse. PixVerse isn't just another video editing tool. It's a gateway to boundless creativity. Powered by cutting-edge AI, PixVerse redefines the art of visual storytelling. It's your partner in crime for crafting cinematic masterpieces effortlessly. With PixVerse, tedious editing becomes a relic of the past as you seamlessly transform raw ideas into captivating visuals. Dive into a world where innovation meets imagination, where every frame tells a story waiting to be told. From seasoned filmmakers to aspiring content creators, PixVerse is the ultimate playground for unleashing your creative genius. Say hello to a new era of video creation with PixVerse by your side. Stay tuned for other intriguing facts that will be covered in the course of the video. So what sets this AI tool apart from the rest? Let's dive into its unique features that truly make it stand out in the crowd of ordinary AI tools. 1. Text-to-video magic. Say goodbye to writer's block. With PixVerse, your text prompts magically transform into dynamic, engaging videos. Just type away, sit back, and watch your words come to life on screen. It's like having a personal video production assistant at your fingertips. 2. Cinematic wizardry. Lights, camera, action. PixVerse doesn't just create videos, it crafts cinematic experiences. With its high-definition output and broadcast-ready quality, your videos will dazzle audiences and leave them craving for more. Who needs Hollywood when you have PixVerse? 3. Animation extravaganza. Need a dancing unicorn or a flying pizza? Look no further. PixVerse boasts a treasure trove of animated assets, offering millions of possibilities to spice up your videos. From quirky characters to eye-catching effects, the only limit is your imagination. 4. Easy breezy customization. Tweak, twirl, and tune to your heart's content. PixVerse puts the power of customization in your hands, allowing you to adjust everything from video length to music style with just a few clicks. It's like having your own editing studio minus the headaches. 5. Limitless creativity. With PixVerse, the sky's the limit. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a newbie to the video scene, PixVerse empowers you to unleash your creativity like never before. So go ahead, dream big, and let PixVerse turn your wildest ideas into reality. After all, who said making videos couldn't be fun? Tutorial. Step 1. Access PixVerse. Visit the PixVerse website or download the PixVerse app. Sign up for an account or log in if you already have one. Step 2. Explore features. Familiarize yourself with PixVerse's features, including image generation and animation creation. Take note of customization options and advanced tools available. Step 3. Choose your project. Decide whether you want to create a single image or an animation sequence. Step 4. Input project details. Specify parameters such as dimensions, style preferences, and content themes. Step 5. Generate content. Click the Generate button to initiate PixVerse's AI algorithms. Step 6. Customize, optional. Fine-tune your creation by adjusting colors, applying filters, or modifying animation settings. Step 7. Download or share your creation. Once satisfied with the result, download your creation to your device. Share it directly to social media platforms or other digital channels if desired. Step 8. Gather feedback and iterate. Share your creation for feedback and refine it based on suggestions. Step 9. Explore advanced features, optional. Delve deeper into PixVerse's advanced features for additional creative enhancements. Step 10. Enjoy the creative process. Embrace the joy of creating stunning visual content with PixVerse. That's it. You're now ready to unleash your creativity and make movie magic with PixVerse. Happy video making! PixVerse AI isn't just your average video tool. It's like having a creative genie at your beck and call. Here are the top 5 reasons why PixVerse is your ticket to video making bliss. 1. Zoom efficiency. Say goodbye to endless hours of editing. With PixVerse, you'll zip through video creation faster than a cheetah on roller skates. Thanks to its AI magic, you'll have more time to kick back and enjoy the fruits of your labor, or maybe just a well-deserved snack break. 2. Swiss Army knife versatility. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, a social media maven, or just someone with a killer sense of humor, PixVerse has got your back. With a treasure trove of animations and customization options, you can whip up videos for any occasion faster than you can say, lights, camera, action. 3. Easy peasy accessibility. You don't need a PhD in video editing to work your magic with PixVerse. Its user-friendly interface and intuitive tools make it a breeze to use, whether you're a seasoned pro or a total newbie. So go ahead, dive in and let your imagination run wild. 4. Creative playground. With PixVerse, the world is your canvas and the possibilities are endless. Want to make a video about flying cats? No problem. How about a dance-off between robots and unicorns? You got it. With PixVerse, the only limit is your imagination and maybe your internet connection. 5. Party like a rockstar scalability. Whether you're making one video or 100, PixVerse can handle it all. Its supercharged ad brains and batch processing powers mean you can scale up your video production faster than you can say encore. So go ahead, dream big, and let PixVerse make your video making dreams come true. Ready for some PixVerse fun? Here are 5 ways you can sprinkle a little magic into your life. 1. Content creation for social media. PixVerse is perfect for creating eye-catching videos to share on social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Whether it's a quick tutorial, a product demo, or a fun promotional clip, PixVerse helps you grab attention and engage your audience with vibrant visuals and snappy animations. 2. Marketing campaigns. From digital ads to email newsletters, PixVerse can be used to produce compelling video content for all your marketing needs. Whether you're promoting a new product, announcing a sale, or telling your brand's story, PixVerse helps you craft videos that leave a lasting impression on your audience. 3. Educational content. PixVerse isn't just for entertainment, it's also a powerful tool for education. Teachers and educators can use PixVerse to create engaging instructional videos, interactive lessons, and educational animations to enhance learning experiences for students of all ages. 4. Corporate presentations. Whether it's a pitch deck, a training seminar, or an annual report, PixVerse helps businesses communicate their ideas and messages effectively. With its cinematic quality and professional polish, PixVerse elevates corporate presentations and helps companies stand out in a crowded marketplace. 5. Personal projects. PixVerse isn't just for businesses and professionals, it's also great for personal projects and creative endeavors. Whether you're making a birthday video for a loved one, documenting a special event, or just having fun with friends, PixVerse makes it easy to turn your ideas into polished videos that you'll cherish for years to come. Even in the world of fun and magic, PixVerse has a few quirks to keep in mind. 1. Learning curve. While PixVerse aims to be user-friendly, mastering all its features may take some time. For beginners, navigating the interface and understanding all the customization options could feel overwhelming initially. 2. Limited personalization. Despite its extensive library of animations and effects, PixVerse may not offer the level of personalization some users desire. Those seeking highly customized or intricate video designs might find themselves constrained by the platform's preset options. 3. Reliance on internet connection. PixVerse operates online, meaning a stable internet connection is essential for seamless video creation. Users in areas with poor internet connectivity may experience frustration or delays when trying to access the platform or export their videos. While these disadvantages are worth noting, they're hardly deal breakers for most users looking to add a touch of fun and creativity to their video projects with PixVerse. In conclusion, PixVerse is like the fairy godmother of video creation, sprinkling its magic dust and turning mundane moments into unforgettable masterpieces. With its AI-powered wizardry and endless creative possibilities, PixVerse is your ticket to a world where imagination knows no bounds and fun is always on the agenda. And here's a fun fact. Did you know that PixVerse's AI technology is so advanced that it can generate over 1,000 unique animations per second? That's more than enough to keep your videos fresh, fun, and full of surprises. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of PixVerse and let your creativity run wild. Whether you're making movies, memes, or just merriment, PixVerse has everything you need to make your wildest video dreams come true. And that's a wrap for today, folks. I hope you had as much fun watching this video as I did making it. Remember, the magic doesn't have to end here. Subscribe to my channel for more thrilling content like this in the future, and together, let's keep making the impossible possible.